Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can publish a journal from Canva to Amazon KDP. First, open your Canva. Here, create a new journal. You can edit this journal here, and then after your journal is complete, click on the share button and click on download, and here save it as PDF and click on download. This will save the journal into your PC. After your download is complete, go to Google and here search Amazon KDP. Open this link and log in or sign in to your account. After logging in, click on this publish, and here you can publish your Canva journal in the PDF form. And this is how you can publish a journal from Canva, and this is how you can publish a journal from Canva into KDP. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.